I'd like to tell you about a great opportunity for master's level graduate students in Kentucky universities in programs such as public administration, law, public policy, or social work. The Legislative Research Commission's Graduate Fellows Program. The LRC is the research and administrative arm of the Kentucky General Assembly, which means we staff all legislative committees, provide research, bill drafting, and administrative and support services so the legislature can function successfully. The Graduate Fellows Program is a unique opportunity to learn about and be a part of the democratic process.
I've had people come up to me that work for other agencies, for other private corporations, saying that they wish they had had some sort of experience with the state legislature and understanding how it operates, because they have had to learn it the hard way. Being a graduate fellow, you get to see how it works in a way that nobody else does, and gives you a deeper understanding that really is a skill that can be provided nowhere else and can be used everywhere else.
You'll be a vital part of our team, working with veteran staff who come from a variety of backgrounds and expertise. You'll be assigned to a nonpartisan legislative committee and trained in bill drafting, applied public policy research methods, and support of committee operations.
I didn't realize how much work for years goes into each bill that gets drafted. They're having these committee meetings where they're learning about the issues and they'll listen to both sides, and they spend so much time on that. I really had no idea that that was all part of the process. From looking from the outside, it just seems like it's all reactionary. I didn't realize how much thought and planning went into things.
And research is our middle name. Whether it's for a bill draft, background information, or a large research study, we analyze and explain complex issues in plain English, so you'll need excellent oral and written communication skills.
I really feel like being on committee staff helped me become a more effective communicator and writer.
You must be able to work in a nonpartisan capacity and maintain strict confidentiality. We work for 138 legislators equally and without bias. This is at the very core of our work ethic. Because of that, you cannot participate in political activity of any kind or post or comment on social media on topics that may come before the General Assembly. Our work is important because legislators use that information to create or change public policy.
There was a lot of work done here that required that neutral practice, so it's been really beneficial for me as an attorney to stop and look at an issue objectively and be able to analyze both sides, and then from the research aspect, you can use the knowledge you gain here to actually enhance the research capabilities you have as an attorney and develop stronger arguments, I think.
We're looking for energetic, creative thinkers from Kentucky graduate programs who have an interest in public policy and are interested in learning about the legislative process. This is a full-year program from mid-May to April. You'll work full-time in Frankfort from mid-May until classes start in August. Then during the fall and spring semesters, you'll work 15 to 20 hours a week in Frankfort while taking classes at your school. Because the program is for a full year, you must be enrolled and actively taking classes at your school during both the fall and spring semesters.
Balancing classes and LRC work was doable. For me, it just took conscious decision making with regard to both my course schedule and my work schedule to make sure that I was still achieving my academic goals while also maximizing my graduate fellow experience.
And I think it's really important to just communicate with your boss or supervisor what your schedule looks like so they know how much work to give you and they know what's on your plate. But communicating with my boss really helped me kind of juggle it all because he would set due dates according to my class schedule and projects there.
December graduates are not eligible because much of the work we do occurs during the annual sessions of the General Assembly, which run from January to April. The Legislative Research Commission's Graduate Fellows Program is a rewarding and unique opportunity that puts you in the middle of the action of the Kentucky General Assembly.
I think the LRC Graduate Fellowship Program is probably one of the best internship programs in Kentucky, hands down. Being involved in the legislative process is unique from a lot of other internships that law students or public policy students might pursue, where they might work with the law, but don't get to become intimately familiar with how the law is made.
I really do think it honed my critical thinking and writing skills, and I don't think I would be where I am today without that experience. So if you're on the fence about applying, just jump in, reach out, and see where it takes you. I know it took me beyond what I imagined.
The Graduate Fellow Program is a great foot in the door in Kentucky state government, especially if you're interested in service. It's a great way to view the legal system, to see how things are structured on the state side and the government side, and it is almost like another education within itself.
My research and writing dramatically improved here. And you know what? It doesn't hurt to get paid when you're in school, and this job pays pretty well. So I loved my time at LRC. I think about it fondly, and I would certainly recommend it to anyone who's thinking it.
If you're interested in the legislative process and in policy, and really want to get to the heart of issues, as well as learn about issues that you never would have come across, this is the place for you. If you like really finding out the backbone of an issue and all its fingers and how it affects the Commonwealth, this is the place for you.
If you want an opportunity to really learn the inside and out of the legislative process at the state government level, there is no better place to be than the Legislative Research Commission. And the Graduate Fellow Program will get your foot in the door to understand all of that. You will develop invaluable relationships, networking, and professional development opportunities all within the LRC Graduate Fellow Program. And if you want a position in Frankfurt, government affairs, or the nonprofit sector, there's not a better place to learn on the ground floor and hit the ground running when you graduate from grad school.
To learn more about the Graduate Fellows Program, visit the LRC website at legislature.ky.gov. Under Visitors and Education, select the Post-Secondary Internship Opportunities.